I just purchased this Paraframe mini clip folding knife from Gerber. I love Gerber. I've owned this guy for 20 plus years and still use it religiously and regularly. I've got this utility knife I got recently. I purchased these with my own money. This is not sponsored or anything. I just love Gerber products. So we're going to open this Gerber product with this Gerber product and check out what you get inside the box here. Oh man, that utility blade is so sharp. Wouldn't it be terrible if I cut myself on camera? I almost did just then. The packaging for all of these Gerber products that I've gotten recently, I mean, it is very, very stout packaging. So this one is not even as thick as the one that this utility knife came in. The utility knife's packaging was just super hard to get into without a very, very sharp knife or scissors. All right, here's what you get inside the box. I was torn between this one and they make a 3-inch version also. So this is the 2.2-inch blade version, and they make one that's just slightly larger. So they call this one the mini Paraframe clip folding knife. And this is all that I really needed. I just need something that's small, a single blade, a quality product, and I know that it's quality because, like I said, I've been using Gerber products for forever. And yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. So there's a chance, don't tell him, but there's a chance that my son might inherit this as his first knife sometime soon because he's been asking about it. So here's the locking mechanism. Can you see that well enough right here? This little piece right here just clips into place or slides into place underneath the blade, and you have to push it out of the way so it can close like that. Let me get it a little bit closer for you. So it locks into place right up here. Think, see it slide over right there. And then usually you're doing this with your thumb. I'll do it with my finger right there. Slide it over so that you can close it. And it is in there good. You have to put forth some decent force to pull it open, but once you get it past that point, it slides open very smoothly. So usually, like I said, you're going to be doing that with your thumb. Get your thumb out of the way, boom, there it is. This is a really nice blade. I mean, I just love Gerber products. Same with this guy. This is the utility knife. I was wondering which of these to get because I just needed something small, you know, mainly to open boxes and just do random stuff around the house where I don't really need like a hunting knife or something. And I said, hey, what the heck? I'll just get both of them. And I'm glad that I did. So I got my box cutter here that'll take the place of all those dinky box cutters. And then I've got my multi-purpose, just little single blade knife right here. Both of which have belt clips or pocket clips, and they're very stout too, so that I can put this in my pocket, have it clip into place so it's not going anywhere. I love Gerber products. Thank you for making great ones. Lifelong satisfied customer here. Hope that's helpful for you. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got affiliate links down below for this product as well as the other ones that I review. If you're interested in anything, I do appreciate it if you would go through those links. It helps keep this free for you and it supports the channel at the same time. So thank you for the support and for the view. And if you really like this, go ahead and click subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great one.